7 reasons why you shouldn't grow bamboo. Welcome to another video from Urban Gardening with Gray. If you are new here, no worries. Just know that we love gardening in all shapes and forms. So if you like plants, you are in the right place. Although, let's get on to our video of the day. Here are some common reasons for not growing bamboo. Number 7. Harvesting can be dangerous. Harvesting mature bamboo can be difficult and dangerous due to its height and brittle nature. First off, its height. Bamboo can grow to be very tall, reaching up to 100 feet in some species, which can make it difficult and dangerous to climb and harvest. Secondly, its brittleness. Bamboo becomes brittle as it matures, making it more prone to breaking, which can pose a hazard to anyone harvesting it. Then you have to consider its sharp edges. Bamboo has sharp edges that can cause cuts and lacerations to those handling it. Not to mention its weight. Mature bamboo can be very heavy, making it difficult to move and increasing the risk of injury to those handling it. Also, it has a slippery surface. Bamboo can become slippery when wet, making it more challenging to maintain a secure grip when harvesting. Finally, the tools. Harvesting bamboo often requires the use of sharp tools, such as saws and machetes, which can pose a hazard if used improperly. In general, it is recommended to seek the help of a professional or to take proper safety precautions when harvesting mature bamboo to reduce the risk of injury. Number 6. Cost. Bamboo can be expensive to purchase and plant, and maintaining a grove of bamboo can be costly as well. First and foremost, you must consider species rarity. Some species of bamboo are rare and difficult to find, making them more expensive to purchase. Additionally, it is slow to propagate. Bamboo can be slow to propagate and grow, which can increase the cost of production and contribute to its higher purchase price. Then you must consider shipping. Bamboo can be heavy and difficult to transport, which can add to the cost of shipping and contribute to its overall expense. Also, containment plays a factor. Containing bamboo's spread requires investment in barriers and ongoing maintenance, which can be costly. Not to mention maintenance. Bamboo requires regular maintenance, such as pruning and controlling its spread, which can add to the cost of maintaining a grove of bamboo. And as we mentioned before, harvesting mature bamboo can be difficult and dangerous, requiring specialized tools and skills, which can add to the cost of harvesting. In conclusion, although bamboo has many attractive features such as its beauty, versatility, and eco-friendliness, its cost may deter some people from planting and maintaining it. Number 5. Pests and diseases. Bamboo can be susceptible to various pests and diseases that can damage or kill the plants. Bamboo can be susceptible to a variety of pests, all which will cause yellowing and wilting, including bamboo mites, small spider-like mites that can cause yellowing and stunted growth in bamboo. Bamboo borers, larvae of beetles that bore into the bamboo culms and cause damage and death to the bamboo. Aphids, small insects that feed on the sap of bamboo, causing yellowing and wilting. Whiteflies, small insects that feed on the sap of bamboo and can cause yellowing and wilting. Mealybugs, small insects that feed on the sap of bamboo and can cause yellowing and wilting. Scale insects, small insects that feed on the sap of bamboo and can cause yellowing and wilting. Snails and slugs, these mollusks can damage young shoots and leaves of bamboo. Rodents such as rats and squirrels can gnaw on the bamboo culms and cause damage. To control these pests, it's important to implement integrated pest management techniques, such as regular inspections, removing infected bamboo, and using natural predators, along with appropriate chemical controls if necessary. Number 4. Climate. Bamboo may not be well suited for cold climates and can be damaged by frost or freezing temperatures. Bamboo can be grown in a variety of climates, but its specific requirements depend on the species. Some species of bamboo are tropical and prefer hot, humid conditions, while others are temperate and can tolerate cold temperatures. Tropical bamboo species are well suited to climates with high temperatures and high humidity, such as in tropical and subtropical regions. These species often prefer temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 degrees Fahrenheit and require high humidity to thrive. Temperate bamboo species are better suited to cooler climates and can tolerate frost and freezing temperatures. These species are often found in regions with temperatures between 20 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit and can grow in both humid and dry climates. It's important to choose a species of bamboo that is well suited to your local climate to ensure its success. Consult a local nursery or specialist to determine which species of bamboo is best for your area. Number 3. Maintenance. Bamboo requires regular maintenance, including pruning and control of its spread. As stated previously, bamboo requires regular maintenance to keep it healthy and prevent it from becoming invasive. Some common maintenance tasks include pruning. Pruning is necessary to control the height and spread of bamboo and to maintain its overall shape. Pruning should be done regularly, particularly for fast-growing species. Containment. Bamboo has the potential to become invasive, so it's important to contain its spread. This can be done by installing physical barriers, such as underground root barriers, or by regularly removing shoots that emerge outside the desired area. Watering. Bamboo requires regular watering, particularly during dry periods. It's important to keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged, to prevent root rot. Fertilizing. Bamboo benefits from regular fertilization, particularly during the growing season. It's important to choose a fertilizer that is well suited to bamboo and to follow the manufacturer's instructions for application. Weeding. Bamboo should be regularly weeded to prevent competition for nutrients and water. Pest control. Regular inspections should be made for signs of pests and diseases, and appropriate controls should be implemented if necessary. Harvesting. Harvesting mature bamboo can be difficult and dangerous, but it's important to harvest bamboo regularly to promote healthy new growth and to prevent overcrowding. In general, bamboo requires a commitment to ongoing maintenance to keep it healthy and attractive. Number 2. Root system. Bamboo's roots can cause damage to foundations, sidewalks, and nearby plants if not properly contained. Bamboo needs root system maintenance to prevent it from becoming invasive and to promote healthy growth. Bamboo has a highly aggressive root system that can spread rapidly, making it important to control its spread and maintain its root system. Preventing invasiveness. Bamboo has the potential to become invasive, spreading beyond its intended area and potentially damaging neighboring plants or structures. Maintaining its root system can help prevent its invasiveness. Promoting healthy growth. Bamboo's root system is critical for its overall health and vigor. Regular maintenance, such as removing dead or diseased roots, can promote healthy new growth and ensure the continued health of the bamboo. Containing spread. If bamboo is not contained, its roots can spread beyond its intended area, making it difficult to manage and potentially damaging neighboring plants or structures. Maintaining its root system can help contain its spread and ensure that it stays within its intended area. Improving drainage. Bamboo's root system can become congested over time, leading to poor drainage and potentially damaging the roots. Regular maintenance, such as removing dead or congested roots, can improve drainage and prevent root rot. Overall, maintaining bamboo's root system is important for preventing invasiveness, promoting healthy growth, containing spread, and improving drainage. By providing regular root system maintenance, you can ensure that your bamboo remains healthy and attractive for years to come. Are you ready for our number 1 reason you shouldn't grow bamboo? Can you do us a favor, first? If you like this kind of helpful information, can you tap the like and subscribe button? Also, be sure to turn the bell notifications on as well. It will help us at Urban Gardening with Gray keep making awesome content like this. Thanks. Number 1. Invasiveness. Some species of bamboo can spread rapidly and become invasive, overtaking nearby vegetation and difficult to contain. Bamboo can be highly invasive, depending on the species and local conditions. Some species of bamboo have aggressive root systems that can spread rapidly, making them difficult to control. Bamboo's rhizomes, underground stems, can spread out and form new shoots, sometimes miles away from the parent plant. This can result in bamboo colonizing a large area and becoming a nuisance in the landscape. In addition, bamboo can be invasive to nearby gardens or even native ecosystems if it is not properly contained. In some cases, it can take over large areas, displacing native plants and altering the ecosystem. To prevent invasiveness, it's important to choose a species of bamboo that is well suited to your local conditions, and to contain its spread by installing physical barriers, such as underground root barriers, or by regularly removing shoots that emerge outside the desired area. If you are considering planting bamboo, it's important to carefully research the species you are considering and to consult with a local nursery or specialist to determine if it is appropriate for your area and how to best contain its spread. In conclusion, growing bamboo is not a species of plant to be taken lightly. If poorly planed, it becomes a rather large problem in the long run. Although, just like with any species of plant you are planning to grow, make sure to do your own extensive research going forward. Did you like our list? Did it give you ideas of what you would like to grow, or for that matter not grow in your garden? Why not let us know in the comments? We hope this helps you in your gardening adventures and endeavors. Thanks for watching. And as we like to say at Urban Gardening with Gray, enjoy life, enjoy family, and enjoy your garden.